In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a PayPal gift card step by step. If you've received a PayPal gift card and you're not sure where to enter it or how to add it to your account, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process so you can start using your balance right away. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser or the PayPal app and log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want the gift card balance to be available. Once you're logged in, go to your wallet or payment methods section. Here, look for the option that says Add Card or Bank. This is where PayPal allows you to connect new payment methods to your account. Next, click on Link a credit or debit card. Even though this is a gift card, PayPal treats PayPal gift cards the same way it treats debit cards during the setup process. Now grab your PayPal gift card. On the card or in the email you received, you'll find details like card number, expiration date, security code. Enter this information exactly as it appears, just like you would with a normal debit card. Double check everything to make sure there are no typos. After entering the details, click Link Card or Save. PayPal will process the information, and once it's approved, your gift card will be linked to your account. From this point on, you can use the gift card balance when shopping online, sending money, or paying through PayPal wherever it's accepted. If your balance doesn't show instantly, give it a moment and refresh your wallet page. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your PayPal gift card and added it to your PayPal account. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.